Yo guys, all Mess here.
And today we're going to be doing the watermelon challenge.
Let's go.
Watermelon.
Pretty much you put rubber bands on it till it pops. Let's go!
Oh my eyes. Shit.
Alright, so we're gonna start.
My eyes, fuck.
Sorry if you can't hear us, it's really windy.
No, we're out here grinding for y'all, so that ain't a problem. That ain't a problem. It's big ass watermelon. Yeah, put it like this first. Oh shit.
Holy shit.
Yeah, we need That's sleep.
Bro, fuck
Hey,
yeah.
flip it the other way. Flip it the other way. Fuck. Other way, other way.
I'll hold it. Yeah. Flip the switch. Yeah, see that? Hey, mate. Hey, how are you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're just
Hey,
doing a
good
little
day.
challenge.
That's all right, man.
Yeah, how are you? Yeah, how are we?
Jockey's the name.
Oh, my name's Sheldon, mate. Nice to meet you.
Mark.
We're making a little
What do you-
video. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
How
you
are we?
going, dude?
We just meet Jock here,
Yeah.
legend himself.
jockey
Yeah, bloody
Yeah.
oath.
Yeah, we're just walking around Dandenong. We just found him.
Yeah.
He's.
I'm an ex-jockey.
Oh, look at that! What a legend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My real name's Graham, but they call me Jockey because
Mate, I'll
it's
call
the
you Jockey
easiest
as well.
name. All right.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, have a great day, Jockey.
You have a great day. All
I'll
right.
see you later.
All right, dude.
Catch you.
Thick.
Like my woman.
Fuck out of here.
You might get a pegging.
Oh shit, there's a car.
Look at it. Well, like when I have a baby and my girlfriend's pregnant, I'm gonna kiss her like this.
I don't think you're having a baby, mate. We're gonna get popcorn.
Bro, I swear to God, this big pops. We're dead ass feet. Nah, it looks weird. Like, oh my God, this is so scary. The suspense is crazy.
Where'd you learn that from, huh? Nico Dictionary? Holy shit!
You guys watch it. Plus, we got like the fattest watermelon. Like,
Oh my god, look! Rub your hand? It's going flat. Next stage is inverted.
Hey, look. It sounds so hollow. Look.
It's caving in, we're doing.
What are we playing through door? Right now. A bit of soccer in there.
Oi! I'm going!
Let go.
Buddy, I'm going!
Let go. Lads, I don't know about you. I think we should just leave this watermelon here. Let it pop by itself later.
No, come on! We hit this in the dick, bro.
Oh shit. Fuck, I'm scared, bro. Fuck it, dude. Come on, bro. Bounce, you drop it.
No, this one's coming off. This one's coming off.
This is the scariest thing ever. Holy shit. Hey, mate. Oh, fuck.
Pop one real quick. Come, we forgot our knife.
Shelby, bro. I didn't fucking show this shit.
Leave.
I'll see y'all later.
Hey, get it.
Chucked it right on us.
I wanted to pulse on my hands.
Holy shit. Bot. So how does it? Yeah, I think oh!
So hot.
What happened? I lost vision in my left eye.
Bro, feel how it feels.
Oh, hold it, honey. Fuck. Hold it, it's falling. Hey, what are you doing? Hold it. Trigger one hand up. Just one hand up. It's gonna honey.
No, it's gotta break down. Oh.
Hey. If we're too scared, you wanna drop
For real,
this?
for real.
We're gonna chuck it off.
Hey, thank you guys for watching, but we're too scared, so we're cutting the video.
Look, so we're fearing for our lives. If it breaks, it's all over for us. So we're just gonna chuck it up in the air. See what happens.
Chuck it up in the air.
You don't need the bin.
Wait. Are you sure you don't want to finish the video?
No, this is the finish. Are you ready?
Oh. We're out here eating, bro. Oh shit.
Hey, what are you doing on my lawn?
Take the rubber bands off, I'll chuck it up again.
Updated.
Alright. Obviously, we're gonna clean it up. We'll get back to you when we're cleaned up, okay?
Later, guys.
Someone just hold it up. I'll hold it or you hold it?
Hold it up. We're doing the community good. You guys think we're savages out here? We're actually good people. Australian citizens.
Yeah, but this part.
Yeah.
We'll set the rest of it.
Down here. Put up my shirt and shit.
Tomorrow, they said it's thunderstorms, so the rain will wash it all away, really.
That ain't a problem.
Yeah, the rain will wash away. Alright, come on, intro time.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yo, guys. So we just finished that challenge.
You know, we were way too scared to let it pop, because if it hit us in the head, we're over. You know, guava juice, they did it, but we were too scared. You know, we'll get there eventually.
Yeah.
It takes time, you know, and practice.
We've got a bus to catch, so
I'll catch you
I'll
guys
see you guys
later.
yeah. This shirt was just a joke, okay? Don't take it seriously. I'm not actually.
Don't roast my man.
I'll catch you guys later.
I'll see you all later.